Does your internet connection look like this? Don't worry, today's video I will show you how to fix your problems with high ping spikes and lost packets. So let's move on. First thing that you need to do is open up control panel. Inside of here, click on the network and internet, network and sharing sender, and over here on the left you need to click on change adapter settings. Inside of here you should see a list of different networks adapter that are available on your system. So left click on the Ethernet adapter and choose properties. This should open up. Inside of here click on the configure. First open the power management and make sure that this box is unchecked. Once you uncheck this, press OK and then reopen the Ethernet tab. Click on the configure and then click on advanced. These are the settings that we are going to modify. So the first settings, which is ARP offload, we are going to disable that. We are going to disable flow control as well as interrupt moderation. For the checksum offload, we are going to disable that. As well, for the jumbo frame, you need to select the maximum value that you have. So in my case, it's this one. For the large send offloads, we are going to disable both of them. For the network address, we are going to leave that to not present. DNS offload, we are going to disable. The priority and VLAN, we are going to leave that to the default settings. For the receipt buffers, what you need to do is enter a large value. So I'm going to enter 1000 and then just press enter. And you should get this pop-up which says that the valid range is from the lowest value to the maximum value. So in my case the maximum value is 512. It might be different for you, so what you need to do is take the maximum value and enter this right here. So in my case it's 512, so I'm going to enter that and that's it. For these settings we are going to disable the ReACV. For the speed and duplex, what you need to do is set this to the maximum value that you have along with full duplex. For the TCP checksum offload, we are going to leave them to the default settings. You can actually experiment with disable, so you can try disabling both of these settings and see if that makes a positive difference for you. If it doesn't, you can always enable this back. Next, for the transmit buffers, what you need to do is again enter a really high value, press enter, and then once again you should see the pop-up which says that the valid range is from the lowest value to the maximum value. So just take the maximum value and enter it right here. So that's 128 for me, and that's the transmission buffers for us. The other option, the UDP checksum offload, you can experiment with this as well. So you can disable them and see if that makes a positive change in your connection, and you can always re-enable them if they don't seem to make a difference. The rest of the settings, we are going to leave them to their default values. And once you are done, press OK and it should restart your Ethernet adapter. And once you are done, you need to close everything and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, all your settings should be applied. Now you can enjoy playing without any network issues. I hope that tutorial helps you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching.